Introducing the sleek and stylish 2024 Mercedes Benz GLA 200D progressive line in grey. This vehicle is packed with top-of-the-line features like air conditioning, satellite navigation and Bluetooth phone connectivity, with a luxurious interior and top-notch safety features including multiple airbags, anti-collision system and lane departure warning. You can drive with peace of mind. The chrome package, roof rails and spoiler add a touch of sophistication to the exterior. Rest assured that this vehicle has undergone a full, multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this premium vehicle. Call us or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information. Drive in style and luxury with the 2024 Mercedes Benz GLA 200D progressive line.